Hey everyone! Today, we're tackling a common laundry problem that many of us struggle with. How to wash white clothes in a washing machine. Keeping your whites bright and free from stains can be tricky, but don't worry, I'm here to guide you through every step so you can get that fresh, crisp look every time. But first, what are the things you'll need to complete this task? For the full list and where to get them, check the description and pinned comment below. Now that you have all your tools and materials ready, let's get into it. Get rid of it! Before you even touch the washing machine, sort your clothes. This step is crucial because mixing whites with darker colors can cause color transfer, leading to dingy-looking whites. According to the Spruce, separating whites from colored fabrics helps prevent this issue from the get-go. Also, keep heavy and lighter fabrics apart to ensure an even wash. Next, inspect your white garments for any visible stains. If you notice any, pre-treat them using an oxygen-based stain remover like OxiClean. Spot treat stains by applying the remover directly onto the stain and letting it sit for about 10 to 15 minutes. The University of Illinois cleaning experts suggest that treating stains before washing significantly increases the chance of removing them completely. Choose the right detergent. Opt for a detergent that contains optical brighteners. These ingredients reflect blue light, making clothes appear whiter. You might have noticed your whites looking dull even after a wash. This is often due to detergent buildup or residue from fabric softeners. To avoid this, consider using a detergent without added softeners. The team at the Spruce highlights that fabric softeners can leave residues on white fabrics, dulling their appearance over time. Now, let's talk water temperature. Use the hottest water setting that the Fabric Care label allows. Hot water is effective at breaking down oils and dirt, which can make whites look dull. According to a study by the American Cleaning Institute, hot water helps in removing body oils and grime that cause yellowing, especially in items like towels and bedsheets. For extra whitening power, add half a cup of baking soda or 1 cup of borax to the wash cycle. These boosters help neutralize odors and soften the fabric while also enhancing the detergent's performance. Everyday Cheapskate mentions that these natural additives are safe alternatives to harsh bleach, making them perfect for frequent use without damaging the fabric. When loading the washing machine, be careful not to overcrowd it. A tightly packed machine prevents clothes from moving freely, making it harder for the detergent and water to rinse out dirt properly. This can leave your whites looking dingy. Make sure there's enough space for the clothes to circulate during the wash. Instead of fabric softeners, add 1 cup of distilled white vinegar during the rinse cycle. The acidity of vinegar helps strip away any leftover detergent and softener residues that can attract dirt. Plus, it acts as a natural fabric softener without leaving any residue behind. According to the Spruce, this simple step can keep your whites looking brighter and feeling softer over time. Before tossing your clothes into the dryer, inspect them for any remaining stains. If you notice any spots, treat and rewash them before drying. Drying stained clothes can set the stain permanently due to the heat. The Everyday Cheapskate advises against this, noting that a quick pre-dry check can save your clothes from irreversible damage. For the best results, air dry your whites in direct sunlight. UV rays act as a natural bleaching agent, breaking down stains and discoloration, making whites brighter without chemicals. Sunlight also kills bacteria and odors, leaving clothes fresher. However, prolonged exposure to intense sunlight can weaken fibers or cause yellowing. For delicate fabrics or already worn items, use indirect sunlight or shade drying to protect the material while still benefiting from UV rays. This balance ensures bright, clean whites while maintaining the longevity of your clothes, as noted by laundry experts from the Spruce and Everyday Cheapskate. If outdoor drying isn't an option, use your dryer on a low heat setting to avoid overdrying, which can cause yellowing over time. Finally, keep your washing machine clean. Over time, residue can build up inside the washer, leading to dingy clothes. Make it a habit to deep clean your washer every few months to prevent any buildup from affecting your laundry. If you found these tips helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and let us know in the comments how you keep your white clothes looking fresh and bright. And that's it, folks. With these steps, you'll be able to maintain those bright, white clothes that everyone loves. Thanks for watching, and happy laundry day.